I don't know if anybody's ever shown this chart on a Bitcoin analysis. On a technical analysis note, if we go back and draw a fib from basically zero, right? It's kind of hard to get right on the money there, but it's right there in that neighborhood, okay? Just try to trap it at 36, okay? It's close to zero. And then if we take it up to the all-time high there at the 69,368 roughly, okay, we pull back nicely to the 38% level here, and then it rattles back and forth between the 50% and the 38%, and then it kind of goes and it freaks out, goes back above that. Everybody probably thought it was going to start going up again, and then boom, crashed immediately. Looks like it stopped for just a minute here at the 50% line and then just busted through it. You can see it looks like it kind of hung up again here at the 618 level, 61%, and then it just kind of traded sideways in between the 618 and the 786 level, which it hasn't touched yet. So that would be our next line of resistance right there, if I'm looking at this correctly, from our basically our starting point to our all-time high. You can see how it has checked all of these lines. If you zoom out a little bit here, you can just see how it hits these lines, these Fibonacci lines, and it respects it in here. I mean, it doesn't really respect it, but it kind of acknowledges it here. It acknowledges it here, and here, and here, and here. You can just see it, right? You guys can totally see this. Okay? Look. This would be the next line of resistance. $14,846. Now, there's a lot of people. Sorry, I'm on the trial version here. A lot of people, they claim that it's going to hit 10,000. So how are they coming up with that number? My guess is they're just taking a regular line here, somewhere in this region, and you can just kind of see. Well, I didn't do a line, but let's see here. You can just kind of see this region right here. It kind of has a dotted line, and it touches right here. It respects it there, touches it here, comes down, touches it here, comes above it, but it's like it's bouncing on this line. So I would say, and then it hits it here, right? See how it kind of tests it, or up in this area, hits it. It's all this same line basically, right through here. So that's probably kind of how they're coming up with this, 10,000 prediction. Okay, I hope that makes sense. I mean, I'm just going off of, if we are assuming this is going to react like any other chart, I mean, cryptos are obviously very volatile, but it does look like it respects the lines at some point. Let's just see, what happens here and here. This is not trading advice. This is just what I'm seeing on the charts. This thing could go to nothing. You never know. But anyways, if you like this video, hit the subscribe. Give it a big old thumbs up, and we'll see you soon in another video. Thanks.